All right, I've got had to glue a couple panels together because the roof is a little over 6 feet wide, and these only come in fours. I used the spray foam in the crack there. Edge wasn't perfectly straight, but fortunately the stuff kind of expands. It'll take up some of the gap. So far everything seems to be super strong when that stuff's set up, so not too worried about it. We'll see when it's done how it goes. A couple boards on there I was standing on when I first put it together, just to kind of get it set up where I needed it. Board over here so I could just jam this one that way and not have it slide out. So got it pushed in there pretty good. No clamps, no tape this time, just flat and some weight on it. All right, here's the piece welded together with the spray foam. You can see where I sanded to smooth it back out. I've got some relief cuts in there every 2 inches, ½ inch deep on this 1 inch foam. Seems to work okay. Never mind these 1 inchers down at the bottom here. Those I thought I was going to need for a tighter turn, but I went and reshaped the wall anyway, so I won't need it. And there we have it. I'm going to go ahead and throw this up onto the top and secure it. See how it's fitting now. Here it is mounted up. Basically did the same thing as I did earlier. Just the wood going through to the stringers on the inside. Screwed through to clamp it down. I will also be using tape in places where it's kind of floating a little bit, just to hold it down a little bit more. This will also allow me to, I can figure what I'll do is undo this front one, lift it up, glue it, from here down, clamp it back down, let that dry, undo the back side, lift it up, glue. That way I don't have this whole thing loose and trying to find screw holes and whatnot to get it back into place. That is the plan. And here's what we're looking like on the inside. Here it is with the glue on it. Tape down. Tape seems to hold just fine, especially with the boards I've got screwed through to the stringers on the inside. Foam's already setting up. This was the Loctite foam. It's a little more dense. It's the window and door. Inside here. It's good to see it coming through both of these sides here. And that's it.